Baba, good afternoon.
Afternoon, my daughter.
Baba, I'm suffering, no. Baba, my husband is cheating on me.
Yes?
Baba, everything is scared. My husband sleeps with.
Hey!
The worst one now is that my house help, my husband is sleeping with her. Baba, help me, please.
Not be juju be that.
Odugume. Take.
Okay, Baba.
When you get home, grind it together. Put it inside his food.
Okay, Baba.
You will come back with a testimony.
Thank you, Baba. Baba, thank you.
Go.
A few moments later.
This man!
Ha! Obi Kubana, onye ọjọọ. You did in this Oba. Hey! Chineke nna.
Nna, what about the food I gave to you?
I gave it to Ekaike.
We are not informed too. And
continue. Let me leave this house for you. I think that is what you want me to do. You want me to leave the house for you.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Hey!
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
No. Oh, Mumu, not too much. Oh, Mumu, not too much. Hey! Isaka!
Who gave you this food that you are eating? Oga gave you this food you are eating.
You know what I need to tell you?
You balance that you are eating it, Abi?
No
you are eating
GCSE,
it, Abi? Hey!
no A level.
Hey!
You will handle McDonald's.
70 years old man.
You too, you are eating the food, Abi? You will leave this house today. No, I promise you will leave this house today. Don't worry. You are eating food. You have mouth to eat. Hello viewers, thank you for always watching Skutu Comedy. Please want to beg you, keep watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I will not pour you water. Please, eh? Thank you.